So I made a Martini. Get it? Martini with Moroccan mint tea. So basically I pre-brewed a whole bunch of mint tea and then chilled it down, keep it in the fridge. What you're gonna do here is I'm using vodka. So do about 1.5 ounces of vodka per drink. Then I'm using a little secret ingredient called Lillet Blanc, which is a fortified wine. It's French, so I figure Morocco, France, kind of goes together. It's sort of like vermouth, but sweeter and softer. It's a really good thing to have on hand. Then I'm going to add some fresh squeezed lemon juice because lemon and tea go so well together. And now you've got your vitamin C.
Oh yeah, that's a health drink.
Really healthy. I'm going to add a little bit of simple syrup just to offset the tartness of the lemon. Simple syrup, again, being half sugar, half water. Just heat up the water until the sugar melts. Now this is totally optional. These are orange bitters. I'm going to add a couple dashes. You don't have to do that. I'm just trying to amp up the citrusy bitterness.
Citrus is huge there. Morocco's known for its oranges, the quality of its citrus.
They are known for their citrus. Now here's my tea. I'm going to add in, I don't know, about 2 ounces of tea per cocktail. I have pre-chilled my Martini glasses.
Oh look, you're throwing the ice in the sink instead of all over the counter.
The night is young. There's plenty more ice for me to throw on the counter. And here I go. Oh, I think I did okay that time.
Well, law of averages, right?
Eventually I'll make a cocktail where I don't spill ice all over the counter. Now we're going to shake this up till it's nice and chilly-willy.
Bella will be home soon. She loves ice on the floor, so.
That makes her very happy.
Yes, it does.
And now we'll strain this into our chilled Martini glasses. You can do this on the rocks too if you feel like a rocks kind of vibe. And then we're going to garnish with a little fresh mint to do up the whole minty vibe of the thing. So there it is. Drink ready.
I'm trying to do the cooking while you're doing the cocktail mixing.
Moroccan Martini.
Let me taste it first. Let me see if it's worth it.
Uh-oh.
You know, it's a dangerous drink in that it doesn't taste like a cocktail at all. It tastes like fabulous iced tea.
It tastes like an iced tea you get at like
it
coffee
tastes like
shop.
iced tea, yeah. Fabulous iced tea. Okay, good job.